Hello, everybody. This is Wadi Rodriguez, Crypto Hunter. I'm just going to take a look at the market. Hello, Paul. How are you? Thanks for joining. Quick overview at the market because Bitcoin is looking serious on a downtrend. Let me get the things ready. Oh, Paul, actually, since you are here, let me try to configure how can I make you one of the mods. Give me 1 second. Let me just share screen real quick. Okay. Okay. Hopefully that's already on the live. Okay, cool. Why does it? There we go. All right. Let me see. Let me restart this. Go. Yeah, it played out exactly as I thought. It got rejected right here 3 times. Then it went up and it got rejected right here. Then the huge dump. Okay, so I mean the RSI is looking good because it's on oversold territory. So we should see a mini relief rally towards the upside. Okay. My day is good, Paul. Just been trying to figure out what content am I gonna talk about. And yeah, at times it's a little tough. Hold on, Paul. Let me see. Could put you. The hardest thing here is like pointing out people the right direction. I mean, there is nothing wrong with certain coins. Like they can make you some profit in the short term, but at times people just don't know how to take profit when they need to. And that's what I'm concerned about. Okay, so let me see in my channel. Okay. Now. Okay. I'm on it right now. Okay. All right, Paul. You should be good to be one of the mods. So figure out a shortcut to do that. All right. Now let me see. What are we gonna look for today? Bitcoin is down. Ape touch exactly where I thought it was gonna touch. If you can see that line right there. So that's a nice call on my behalf. Now the question is, would it continue to drop or would it start going up? Indicator almost touching oversold, very close, but not close enough. Yeah, I know. I mean, that's the thing that I'm usually worried about. Like, for example, promoting certain projects, because when you get too greedy, then you could lose it all. You can have a lot of gain, and then out of nowhere, you just lost everything. So that's why I worry about promoting other projects. Let's see what Coin Market Cap got. Okay. Sure, this time is time. Well, honestly, on Eve, I think it would drop some more. But let me just confirm that. Yeah, same thing. It touched where I thought it was gonna touch. Now it's just a matter of if it's gonna turn around or not. Hold on, let me share this. So you could see right here the same thing. It touched my mark. Now the star chart is high. Usually when it's here, it will either do a line straight for a little bit and then it shoots back up. But I don't like this right here because the MACD is all the way open for another drop. Now the RSI is saying that possibly the minute touch, we're going to have a little bit of reversal and then it goes up towards the upside. But I don't think it's going to hit like any major level toward the upside. Okay, so yeah, that's true too. It might not even be greed. It's just that some people doesn't know how to take profit or when to take profit. And that's usually a problem. Like I know everything I do here is not financial advice, but at times, you know, if people can actually see and recognize somebody else's knowledge, and they decide to take an advice, or, well, not an advice, but get the clue, then I think that will help a lot of folks out. That's something that I didn't have when I started. I had to learn the hard way. So let me look at ETH in the 1 day chart. In the 1 day chart, I've been calling it for a while. That is still gonna drop. Yeah, it just did a engulfing bearish candle. Let me see in the 1 month. In the 1 month, still looks like I want to drop some more. So there really isn't any news or anything in the market that would tell me that Bitcoin is, or, well, if Bitcoin goes up, everything else goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, everything else goes down. Okay. All right, let's see what Coin Market Cap is bringing. The currency. Okay, so oops. Okay. So far, according to CoinMarketCap, the biggest gainer is Shinobi. Interesting. Let me copy this. Let me open up Dex tool. Okay. Click on paste. Ethereum. All right, so this is the part where I kind of got confused. Yeah, that's good. Jeez, this continues on a downtrend nonstop. Let me see in the daily chart. Okay. All right. Hey, Sherry, how are you? I'm just going through the market, seeing what's up. Well, in general, I know everything is going down, but trying to see if there's anything in the green right now. Dun, dun, dun. Um, okay, let me check out this token. Let me once again copy this. Go to DEX tool. Paste that. Yeah, it looks like the same bearish sentiment for everything, but then again, that's normal because the market is not looking great. Okay, let me see. Nothing much, Sherry. Just like I said, scouting the market, trying to see if there's anything that has a positive uptrend, at least any of the tokens that I usually follow. Da, 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 da. Stargate Finance. Bolt. Oh, you know what? Let me check out Boxia. Oh, Boxia is at a steal right now. Let me click on Binance. There you go. You know. Thanks. I mean, I've been having a little bit of a hard time doing it, but I guess I gotta go where the trend is going pretty much. Well, Strange Inu, that is a total mess, in my opinion. I believe it is a straight rock pool. And the thing is that Sandstorm called it out. So they got nervous and yeah, they decided to just pull out before it was too late, which is a pretty messed up situation. Yeah, exactly how it happened. But you see, Terra, on the other hand, they had a good interview and with Awesome Austin, and I'm not gonna lie, like I do see them trying to do something good, something positive. So let's just wait and see. No, I heard no earlier today, follow the list. Yeah, that really does suck because a lot of people probably got wrecked. Well, not probably, for sure. They got wrecked, and that's the thing that some people don't even think about when they put up with this type of project, that you're literally convincing people to invest in your project. We trust you. And at the end of the day, you come and rock pool everybody. I think that's pretty messed up. I don't care what project you are. I don't find that right. Okay. Oh, there's one I haven't checked out. Bolt. Let me see how Bolt is doing because there's a lot of good news on Bolt Eno too. Bolt. Bolt B2. Let me copy that. Okay. And I wasn't able to stay for the whole AMA last night, but I believe JP was talking about the metaverse. Am I correct? Yeah, like I said, it's not right. Yes, it's going to be a while. Yeah, I gotta get more information from him about the AMA and see what's the metaverse about. But it sounded pretty good from the little bit that I heard. It sounded really good. Okay. But as far as Bo, what I believe is 15 exchanges incoming. But as of right now, what the graph is telling me, it is no time to go in. Okay. Okay, so today I decided to cover Boxiers, if I'm saying it right, due to the fact that it is play to earn. It's also NFT, and it has a real good team behind them. Also, it is already on Binance and on KuCoin. So the first time I saw this project, I saw it at 15, if I remember correctly, 15 cents, which was on the pre-sale. And it went all the way to like $3. It corrected, and then it went back up. But that's how the market works. So Boxy Tactics, a fast-paced, free-to-play tactics RPG, complete guess, complete quest, sorry, defeat your enemy while earning cryptocurrency, in-game item you truly own. Uh, Boxy Tactics, are you up for the challenge? Boxy Tactics, a first of its kind tactical RPG game, play for free. Anyone can jump in and play immediately. Dynamic gameplay. Play against the computer by exploring the world of Boxtopia or challenge your friends in the PvP arena to win contests and reward. True player ownership, earn cryptocurrency, and in game NFT items you can buy and sell, trade, and loan on the blockchain. Loadable and collectible 3D box your body, boxel bodies. What are boxias? Boxias are cute, lovable, and compatible 3D boxel bodies that live and play on the Ethereum blockchain. There are only 10,000 boxias in existing, and no two boxes are identical. The hunt begins. The golden egg treasure hunt, two hidden gems, two hidden eggs worth 5 ETH each. All golden eggs have been found. Aren't they adorable? Oh my god, it's twins. Two in 10,000 boxes are identical. A curator dream, collect them all, complete set of races to win exclusive in-game NFT prices. Meet the team. Oops. Okay, meet the team. The team behind Always Geeky Games has over 15 years of game development experience, and we have worked at worldwide studio like EA Games, Brothers Games, and Ubisoft. Pretty good companies. We have contributed to major AAA games, project like the Assassin's Creed franchise and Far Cry franchise and Mortal Kombat 11. Uh, so not bad. These people know what they're doing. I will play a little bit of the video, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get copy strike from it. So I'll just let everybody do it at their own time. I could go to boxiers.io. That would be VOXIES.io. So these are the NFT and also characters in the game. So this is a pretty good project, in my opinion. I'm just waiting for the market to do whatever it has to do, either finish dumping, and then it will be a good time to start accumulating this type of tokens long term. Let me go back to the stream. Yes, it's going to be. Oh, our Chineko CEO JP has good things coming up. Swap coming soon. NFT pre-sale. Metaverse. Raise yourself for a wild ride. I believe that he does. Let's go, Archineko. Yeah, I believe JP intentions are really good. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get him on a AMA and the other two guys so they could explain everything that they see in the project and why people should believe in the project. So that is one crypto right here that people should look into. Let me put up the coin market cap. This is the current price, which is a steal right about now. But like I said, I will wait for more of the market pullback and see where it goes before I jump back into this. Let me check the historical data. Within, yeah, just like 1 month ago. It was at $2.10. Here we go. This is the all-time high. Hold on. Well, $4.29. So that's pretty good. So this is a good project just to look into it and start accumulating long term. Like see. Okay. So I also know there was another project. Let me see. Okay, no. Okay. Well, there's nothing going on as far as other news. So let me go check what's going on as far as crypto news. Cointelegraph. So here we go. So the real reason crypto hodlers should care about the Federal Reserve April 28th through May 4th. On May 4th, the FOMC voted to raise interest rate by 50 basis point. Here's why Bitcoin investors need to care about central bank policy. Wall Street's slow embrace of crypto means we all have to start watching the Federal Reserve again. Cointelegraph parse through the latest Federal Open Market Committee FOMC policy statement on Wednesday to try and uncover some nuggets of useful information. You can think of it as an exercise in financial esos- esoterics to uncover the hidden meaning behind the Fed decision making. As it turns out, the decision to rise interest rate by 50 basis point was already expected. So the actual FOMC document provided very little new information for, but Fed Chair Jerome Powell sparked a late rally in crypto and stocks on Wednesday when he said 75 basis point increase aren't on the table. You wanted the institution to adopt crypto, didn't you? Now the asset class is trading almost in lockstep with other risk assets such as stocks, which means the Fed action words, intention, and expectation matters, at least for the foreseeable future. Fed hike interest rate by 50 basis point in effort to combat inflation. At the conclusion of their two-day policy meeting on Wednesday, FOMC member voted to raise the target for the federal funds rate to be 0.75 and 1%. That equates to a 50 basis point increase for those keeping track. The last time the Fed hiked rate that much was over 20 years ago. Clearly, central bankers were wrong about inflation, or else they wouldn't need to hike rates so aggressively. FYI, central bankers are wrong about a lot of things, yet we have no choice but to wait in anticipation for their edicts, whether the Fed will continue to hike aggressively until 2023 is a subject of fierce debate. My expectation is that they will be forced to stop once something breaks. So that also explains why the crypto market is going down. Let me continue reading. Fed rates. Fed raises rate 50 BPS to start run on June 1st at 47.5 billion. Fed expects ongoing increase in rates will be appropriate. Fed runs off pace to raise to maximum 95 billion. After 3 months, Coinbase plans to purchase firm behind Mercado Bitcoin fall through reports. These are already different news. Okay. Let's check out market news. Any dip buy or left pools are largely absent. Market cap dropped 1.65 trillion. Ouch. Oh. Let me see. Instead of me reading it, would I be able to play the sound?
Any dip buyers left? Bulls are largely absent as the total crypto market cap drops to $1.65 trillion. The total crypto market capitalization has been trading within a descending channel for 24 days, and the $1.65 trillion support was retested on May 6th. The drop to $1.65 trillion was followed by Bitcoin,
Can you hear the sound?
Reaching $35,550, its lowest price in 70 days. Total crypto market cap, USD billion. Source, Trading, View. In terms of performance, the aggregate market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies dropped 6% over the past 7 days, but this modest correction in the overall market does not represent some mid-capitalization altcoins which managed to lose 19% or more in the same time frame. As expected, altcoins suffered the most. In the last 7 days, Bitcoin price dropped 6% and Ether, ETH, declined by 3.5%. Meanwhile, altcoins experienced what can only be described as a bloodbath. Below are the top gainers and losers among the 80 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Weekly winners and losers among the top 80 coins. Source, Nomics. Tron, TRX, rallied 26.9% after Tron DAO rolled out a USDD, a decentralized stablecoin, on May 5th. The algorithmic stablecoin is connected to the Ethereum and BNB chain through the BTTC cross-chain protocol. 1inch gained 5.6% after the decentralized exchange governance application became Polygon's network leader by completing 6 million swaps on the network. STEPN, GMT, the native token of the popular Move to Earn lifestyle app, declined 35.7%, adjusting after a 70% rally between April 18th and April 28th. A similar movement happened to ApeCoin, APE, after the token pumped 94% between April 22nd and April 28th. The Tether premium flipped negative on May 6th. The OKX Tether, USDT, premium gauges China-based retail demand, and it measures the difference between the China-based peer-to-peer trades in the United States dollar. Excessive buying demand puts the indicator above fair value at 100%. On the other hand, Tether's market offer is flooded during bearish markets, causing a 4% or higher discount. Tether, USDT, peer-to-peer versus US dollar to Chinese yuan. Source, OKX. The OKX Tether premium peaked at 1.7% on April 30th, indicating some excess demand from retail. However, the metric reverted to a 0% premium over the next 5 days. More recently, in the early hours of May 6th, the OKX Tether premium flipped to minus 1% negative. Data shows retail sentiment worsened as Bitcoin moved below $37,000. Futures markets show mixed sentiment. Perpetual contracts, also known as inverse swaps, have an embedded rate that is usually charged every 8 hours. Exchanges use this fee to avoid exchange risk imbalances. A positive funding rate indicates that longs, buyers, demand more leverage. However, the opposite situation occurs when shorts, sellers, require additional leverage, causing the funding rate to turn negative. Accumulated 7-day perpetual futures funding rate. Source, CoinGlass. As shown above, the accumulated 7-day funding rate is slightly positive for Bitcoin and Ether. Data indicates slightly higher demand for longs, buyers, but nothing that would force traders to close their positions. For instance, a positive 0.15% weekly rate equals 0.6% per month, thus unlikely to cause harm. On the other hand, altcoin's 7-day perpetual futures funding rate was minus 0.30%. This rate is equivalent to 1.2% per month and indicates higher demand from shorts, sellers. Signs of weak retail demand as indicated by OKX Tether data and the negative funding rate on altcoins are a signal that traders are unwilling to buy at the critical $1.65 trillion crypto market capitalization. Buyers seem to be waiting for further dips before stepping in, so further price corrections will likely follow. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision.
Okay. I hope everybody was able to hear that. Let's see. Okay, what else? All right. Well, I think that'll be it for today. I don't have nothing too exciting to share, but hopefully tomorrow. Oh, tonight actually I have a AMA with the Panda Project. So yeah, I guess just be ready for tonight. Have a good one, everyone.